নিয়োগে অনিয়ম সহ এডিসি প্রশাসনের বিরুদ্ধে রাজ্য সরকারের কোনো ভূমিকাই নেই। মুখে বাগাড়ম্বর, কাজে অষ্টরম্ভা। এডিসি প্রশাসনের দুর্নীতি নিয়ে বলতে গিয়ে উষ্মা সুরে জানালেন রাজ্যের বিরোধী দলনেতা জিতেন্দ্র চৌধুরী।
In every 3 months, 4 months, 5 interval, there will be no corruption. All these people involved will be punished, but nothing happening. How? Because he is in the hell of the affairs. So it is all falsehood. Nothing will happen, we know.
He said he takes stern action and he will not.
That we have been hearing for last 5 years. Last 5 years, not only in this case, also in relation to the Bharatiya Janata Party also. They say so many things, but again, they are in the hand of the globe with the Bharatiya Janata Party. How can he take the stern action? He does not have that guts or that morality, because both the Bharatiya Janata Party and Motha, they are in tandem, they are in hand and glove. They can't do anything.